Okay, for this week's virtual session, we are going to briefly describe two different ways to close caption a video that you have. Right now I'm using, excuse me, Snagit to create my video. And with Snagit, we'll look at Snagit another time, but with Snagit, there's not a whole lot of editing tools to use, which can be a good thing. So it just is easier to create videos, and I typically use Snagit when I'm going to do one take, so it's not an official beautifully formatted video. There'll be some mistakes here and there, like for example me coughing or a phone ringing or something like that, and I just go ahead and leave it in there, knowing that this is not a formalized video, that it's just kind of more of an informal instructional video. So getting back to the two ways that we're going to look at closed captioning today. The first one is in YouTube with videos that you already own, that you've created, that you've uploaded, or that they are yours. So I'm in YouTube, I'm logged in as me, and I go to my dashboard so that I can see the videos that I have. And this is the one that I created a few days ago that does not have closed captioning yet. The video is about closed captioning, but it itself isn't closed captioned. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to do that. So the main thing is you need to get to your videos, and you need to click on edit. If you notice, if my mouse isn't on the video, you don't see the edit button. So make sure that you hover your mouse over, go to edit, YouTube changes. Now we have a menu up here that includes captions. I'm going to click on captions, and I'm going to click on the automatic captions. This is going to give me the whole caption text of what YouTube used on the speech to text. And you can tell that not necessarily that it didn't do a good job, but mainly it was that I wasn't very clear in my pronunciation. I probably talked too fast. I'm sure I put in a here or there, and so this definitely needs to be cleaned up. So what the easiest thing to do is just to push play.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to add closed captioning to a video that's already on YouTube.
Okay, so that's what I have to put here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to. Can't remember what else it said.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to add closed captioning to a video that's already on YouTube. So I'm already logged in
To a video that is already in YouTube. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to add closed captioning. There. And I kind of like how that takes out what was in there. And I'm not going to continue on, but you get the point. There will be a variety of, I guess, levels of accurateness depending on who made the video and how fast they talked and all of that kind of stuff. I should have thought about that when I was creating it. It's a good point to know that when you are creating videos, you really should speak slowly and enunciate your words, so that not only the closed captioning can work, but that people can understand you also. So after, just pretend I'm done editing all of my captionings, I click on done. Actually, I'm going to put the track name, so we'll just call this Gail's Edit. And I'm going to click on done. And then it's saved, it's all set. So I'm going to go back to my video manager, I guess, and click on here. This is the video, and I want to make sure that the captions are going.
Add closed captioning to a video that's already on YouTube.
And you notice that when I click on CC, I have that choice of the Gail's Edit one or just that original automatic transcript. So anyway, very easy to do, not time consuming, even less time consuming if I would have spoken more slowly and enunciated a little bit better. But that's one way to do it inside YouTube. the other way to do it, like say that there is a video that you like and you want to add transcript to it, or sorry, closed captioning to it. So here's one on UDL, 3 minutes long. And just say I would like to have this be closed captioned for me.
One fact that all classrooms have in common.
So what I do is use the, I guess it's a web-based tool called CaptionTube, and I need the URL of that video. But once I'm in CaptionTube, it's in beta, a free web tool. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Let's see if it'll automatically do it for me. Yep, it looks like it's doing that. So CaptionTube will allow me to, I'm going to import this video. It's not a personal one, it's a specific one, meaning somebody else made it for me. And this is where I just paste the URL into it and click on import. So now this is in here, and again, much like the YouTube, I go to the edit part. So I'm going to click on edit. And it's going to load here. And so the tools are a little bit differently. I can view it in list mode, which I'm going to do just because it's going to look a little bit more like the way it did in YouTube. So I'm going to click on add a caption, right? Push play. Let me cancel for a minute and back up because let it play. And I'm going to wait till it gets to the part where I want to add the caption.
If there is one fact that all classrooms...
Okay, it's nice because it stops it for me, and see how it already knows where I started it. So if there is, and of course I'm trying to think of what they said and I don't know.
have in common, it is... If there is one fact that all classrooms have in common, it is that they are filled.
And I'm going to tap here because this will automatically make it be at the right amount. Click Save. Then just continue.
With a variety of learners. Some students learn best by hearing information.
So you get the point. I'm going to tap here again.
And others need to see an image. Some students process.
So then you can get it to change and click on Save. And now you have all of these. If you want to edit them later, you can come in here and just fix the text however you want it. So, and then you would click on Publish. So this is how you would add captioning to a video that isn't yours. You just bring it into CaptionTube and then edit. So there are, a few more tricks to all of this. I just want to kind of keep this video fairly short. But my question to you then is, first of all, if you didn't use one of these two ways, like using YouTube's the caption feature that they have kind of baited, trying out in YouTube, if you didn't use that with one of your tube videos, and if you didn't use CaptionTube to add captioning to somebody else's video or to one of yours, what did you use to, or what are you going to use to add closed captioning to a video? That's one question. The second question is, what I'm wondering is how well this would work to have a student actually do the captioning for you. So if you think about how many times, especially in the Common Core, the reading and writing is supposed to be across the whole curriculum. So even if it's a science video, your students in science class should be doing more writing activities and et cetera. So anyway, what is your opinion on students using tools to caption videos or to edit some of the captions that are already in videos? Is that a good idea? Do you think they can? How would that work in your class?